Rizwan's trying to take the cauliflower. Rizwan, what's happening? Right. Chalo.
You want that?
Yes, it's nice and fresh and organic. Of course I do. Yes. That was Alina's, okay? She was the one who saw this. So we're going to feed Alina with this.
No. I found it for you.
Alina's not a veggie lover. Well done. Chalo. Well done, Alina. Let's see. Oh, well done. Right, that's it. Chalo. Now we've got the cauliflower. So we will make a nice veggie curry with cauliflower. I'm like that. What's Alina doing? I know. Oh, the weather's coming out nice. Oh, that looks nice, by the way.